So again, good evening, Mabsat. Ito, umpisa na natin. Maestro, ano ba topic natin? O sige, pakita natin yung topic natin, Mabsat. Ito na po. Naka po, UP Law Professors umalma sa Supreme Court decision. Di ba? Kung nung una, Mabsat, inaalmahan nila si Cheese Escudero. Di ba? Si Cheese Escudero isang alumni ng UP College of Law. Talagang kan. Ngayon, Supreme Court na ang inaalmahan nila po. Tragis. Bakit naman ganoon? Bakit? May sablay ba? O ano? May mali ba ang ginawang Supreme Court? Ating alamin dito sa UP Law Professors. Ito, Kabsat. O ito, Batas PH. 9 hours ago, mga Kabsat. Lakihan natin. Alright, basahin ko ha. Nako, tumaas naman lalo. O ito. Pati IBP pa pala, mga Kabsat. Ano na ibig sabihin IBP? Integrated Bar of the Philippines. Box House. O ba? Sinuportahan yung House. Supreme Court on the Special Impeachment Matters. Just in. Ala, bago lang to. Kailan to? 47 minutes ago. Dumadami, guys. Pati IBP, wabsa to. Just in, the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, or IBP, issues a statement that the Supreme Court's decisions that declared null and void the article of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte, emphasizing that it recognized the sole power of the House of Representatives in initiating impeachment cases. The organization also clarified that it respects the authority of the High Court to interpret the Constitution. Meanwhile, it noted while criticism and dissent against the ruling are part of the democratic exercise, it emphasized that defiance of the court ruling erodes the very foundation of legal order. NASPAC. Official statement of the Supreme Court decision in Duterte at August 1. Kanina lang to. Nako po. So, pero punta mo tayo sa UP. Dito tayo sa UP, guys. Dito tayo sa UP. Nasaan na yung UP? Tumalon na. Pati si Corona, dyan na. Pati yung kanina. Nako, dami lang mga Kabsat. Asan na yun? Wait lang. Pinalaki ko tumalon naman. Nako po. Wait lang 8 hours ago. Wait po. Wait lang. Baka yun na yun. Pataas dapat, hindi pababa. Hindi. Yun na. Wait lang, Absat ha. Dali. UP Law. Saan na yun? 8 hours ago yun Ito. Ayan. Pero syempre, tanggalin ko muna yung kana. Yan, para mabasa natin lahat. Lakihan natin. Alright, there you go. Tapos, sabi dito guys, University of the Philippines College of Law faculty members have issued a statement expressing concern on the Supreme Court decision that declared unconstitutional the impeachment case of Vice President Sara Duterte. In the letter published on Friday today, August 1, 2025, over 100, sobra sa 100 UP law professors expressed support to the House of Representatives in saying that the new due process requirement should be applied prospectively and let the impeachment trial continue in accordance with the old jurisprudence by the High Courts. Yan na sinasabi natin, mga Kabsat di ba? Dapat, kung nag-introduce sila ng panibago, yung pitong yan, pag in-introduce nila yung pitong yan, mga Kabsat, meaning, dapat next year pa, kasi i-introduce pa lang, nangyari, nag-implement na kaagad, tapos biglang, gugulatin tayo, bakit nila ginawa yan? Di ba? Hindi naman yan yung sinusunod nila dati pa. Kabago-bagong implementation, i-apply ka agad. Bagong process of pito. Kaya talagang magtataka ka, Mabsat. Pero in light, due in accordance with the old jurisprudence, in light of these established principles, we express our conviction that the Congress is constitutionally vested with high prerogatives and thus deserves the appropriate deference in the procedures and in the conduct of impeachment. At the very least, given the House reliance on 2 decades of precedents, the practices, any new rule should be prospective in application. Nako po. We call on the democratic institution to act in accordance with this fundamental principle and to foster all full debate on the impeachment in keeping the constitutional accountability. Ayun. O, di ba mga kabsat? Grabe to, oh. O, silipin natin itong statement nila, kabsat. Basahin natin. Lakihan natin yan. Ano ba sinabi ng UP? Restoring accountability, a statement of individual members of the University of the Philippines College of Law, tackle the development in the impeachment of the Vice President Sara Duterte. August 1, we are undersigned individual members of the faculty of the University of the Philippines College of Law express our grave concern with the developments in the impeachment of the Vice President Sara Duterte. We have carefully studied the Supreme Court's decision in Duterte's versus House of Representatives. O, pinag-aralan din na ng gusto, Amsad. And the unprecedented actions that have been taken by the Congress have led us to this point. We acknowledge the anxiety, confusion, and fear of a constitutional crisis that have arisen among the general public, informed by the law of the constitutional and political history that we teach and study. Siyempre, tinuturo nila at pinag-aaralan nila yan, di ba? Tapos babaligtad din na naman. Nako po! Yan ang maging laking problema yan. Nako po. Pero siyempre, Mabsat, itong mga lawyers natin, wala tayong magagawa dyan, Mabsat. Siyempre, dyan sila galing eh, di ba? Sa Supreme Court, dyan sila nanumpa bilang isang abogado, di ba? Dyan sila nag-oath. Kaya talaga pro-protected. Pero yung iba, nako po, umi-epal na lang, no? Parang isa dyan, di ba? Kinasuhan pa. Di ba? Kinasuhan pa sila Gadon, si Professor, Professor Haydirian, at saka sino yun? Si Councilor, sino to? Si Representative Sendanya. Di ba? Nako po, Dactylis anxiety, question, confusion, impeach constitutional that we teach and study. We stand in the bedrock principle of our constitutional system and warn of these recent developments undermine impeachment as an indispensable instrument of political accountability for the highest public official. On the impeachment as a political accountability for almost a century, impeachment in the Philippines has existed as a mechanism of political accountability. It is the process formerly described by the court as even purely political, unlike legal accountability via criminal prosecution and corruptions. Impeachment did not rely on the standards of evidence, proof of elements, and judicial impartiality of junction. With its unique moral and underpinnings, impeachments are decided only upon a simple question on whether the high public officials should continue to be entrusted with public office. Hence, its consequence is not imprisonment or civil damage, but removal, and it is decided not by the learned judges but our elected representatives, including those without legal backgrounds. In this light, decisions in impeachment are product of political and moral judgment, not strict legal analysis. The correctness of those decisions is not. Second page. Ilang page ba to? Ba, dami. 5 pages. Ang dami, 5 pages pala. Page 2 muna tayo. Sige. O, to, sabi dito, not primary or ordinarily reviewed by the higher court of efforts of the law and fact, but by the sovereignty of people, Filipino people, via ballot box. This is precisely why the court had deferred the Congress in defining its impeachment process, subject only to constitutional limit text. Its members as elected representatives are directly answerable to the people. The Constitution made it clear that the House has the exclusive power, Mabsat, to initiate, di ba? And the Senate has the sole power to try and decide all cases of the impeachment. We thus share the view of the Free Legal Assistance Group or FLAG that the over judicialization of process by laying out evidentiary and court-like procedures for Congress even at the early point of initiations will permanently change impeachment nature. Naku, mahaba talaga 'to mga kabsat, Pero okay lang, pagtiyagaan natin 'to. On the judicial review and role of the courts, while judicial review exists even for its acts discretionary of as impeachment, it is constitutionally available only when there is a grave abuse. We believe that Congress simply relied on the rules set by the court in Francisco versus House of Representatives and Gutierrez versus Committee on Justice that initiation by the House consists of the filing of the complaint and its referral to the proper committee. Yun nga, file and referred. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng, wait lang, may nagme-message. Ano na tayo? File and referred. Yun nga, yun yung sabi ng initiation. This could not have been abuse of discretion, much less of grave one. If the court intended to lay out new rules, ito, mabigat to, intended to create new rules for the House, then the reliance of the public thereto prior to their being declared unconstitutional calls for at least prospective. Dapat prospective, ipoprospect nyo pa lang. Diba? Hindi yung on the spot application on its decision and not in nullification of the House action. Ayun lang. So, nakitaan ng butas to. Tragis. However, it had to intervene in the past impeachment. The court did so cautiously to avoid not only preempting Congress but also influencing the only process of political accountability for its own members. The court had therefore avoided defining impeachable offenses because it acknowledged each as a non-judiciable political question with it beyond the scope of judicial power. It had refused to dissect align irregularities in the internal process of the next page, House and the issues before it could be resolved with other grounds. Analogously, it had held that the respect due to the co-equal and independent departments requires judicial departments to act upon their assurance and to accept as a having passed Congress as all bills authenticated in the manner stated. On this point, the Duterte ruling has consequences that the parties themselves did not appear contemplate. For instance, the House must now meet as a chamber even if 1/3 of all the members have already signed. Yun na nga di ba? Kailangan mo pa sila mag-meet. Paano yan? Kung nasa ibang bansa yung we agreed with the Justice Adolfo Oscuña's view. Ito. Nag-agree ang UP professors view that this is contrary in the intent to make impeachable easier to initiate. We add that it deviates from the design to protect the process from the tyrannical majority, which is plenary now and has a power to block resolutions for impeachment. As our colleagues have also noted, the ruling creates an incentive for the filing of sham complaints to trigger the 1-year rule, a political strategy once criticized by the justice as making a mockery of the power of the impeachment. Narrower rulings in the past have precisely avoided these unintended consequences. Right. Next, the right of the respondents to impeachment as a sui generis proceedings. Impeachable is neither criminal, civil, nor administrative. Rules like judicata and double jeopardy do not apply, and its penalties to removal in neither criminal, civil, nor administrative as well. In this regard, while due process protects against the deprivation of life, yun ang problema, hindi naman dinideprive yung life niya, di ba? Kaya ito yun. Tama, ito yung mga diniscuss ni Attorney Recto ko kagabi, di ba? Hindi naman siya nilelegleg yung life, di ba? So talagang silip na silip ang butas dito. Liberty and property. Public office is not property within the context of the due process guarantee. Tama, ito nga yung diniscuss ni Attorney Recto kahapon, ito yun. So sabi dito, public office is not property within the context of due process guarantee of the Constitution. Notably, While Article 6 Section 21 of the Constitution requires that the right of person appearing in or affected by legislative inquiries shall be respected. No similar rule applies in Article 11, Section 3 on the impeachment. Impeachment has thus never required the observance of due process that applies to administrative proceedings. The impeachment trial itself is due process. Malapit na tayo matapos, guys. Konting tease na lang. Shout out, Simply Talkies, Kabsat. Nako po, nagsalita ng UP professors, Mabsat. 100 plus UP professors. Pumirma ba sila dito? Nako, nandito yung mga pangalan ng mga UP professors. Signatures as of August 1, 2025, 10:30 a.m. Ayan o, ang daming pangalan ng mga UP professors. 100 plus. O, tingnan natin ha. Wait lang. Beasley. Oh, dito tayo sa conclusion na tayo. In light these established principles, we express our conviction that the Congress is constitutionally vested with high prerogatives and thus deserve the appropriate difference in the procedures and in the conduct of impeachment at the very least, given that the House reliance on the 2 decades of precedence of the practices. Any new rules should be prospective in application. Again, new rules, mga bago, yung 7 yan, should be prospective. We call on our democratic institution to act in accordance with these fundamental principles and to foster a full public debate on the impeachment in keeping with a constitutional accountability. Signed by the following professors, UP professors, nakapaw, 100 plus. Paano ba yan? Paano ba yan? Kaya pa ba? Nako po, Maxi. Yan na si Maxi. End Time Rapture. Shoni Hes. Elican del Carmen. Kaya pa. Kaya pa daw. Paano yan? Grabe. Saklap nito. Diba? DDS, bakit abogado ba sila? Dami. Si Professor Richard na nag-comment. Actually, sinerte ni Professor Richard Mabsat, no? Nako po. Just in, President Farmer ako.